Because we spend our time at our workstations, our desks. We are in, co-working areas because this is the trend which is in now. That makes life a lot easier and stuff. And overheads are also easy. Maintenance is easy. So Corona has been a big realization for lots of people and stuff. And of course, we have the regular offices. We have new construction happening everywhere, and we have people taking in spaces at various real estate buildings and stuff, and they're getting into their own zones, and they have their own studios, or they're doing their own stuff. So this is about life beyond cubicle. So what happens when you're not in your cubicle, you're not in the office, you come back home? So what happens when you're at home, and that's where you start your day from. So my insights or my tips are basically about interior designing, and I had kind of researched this and kind of brought them down to a few pointers. So this is about 10 inspiring wardrobe design ideas for your bedroom. So we all know it. We all spend maximum time in the washrooms. We spend our times in bedrooms. We're spending our time in the drawing room, dining room, and stuff. So what's really important? The most important criteria for any good design or a concept is that it is clean, it is easy to maintain, and it must give you this whole idea that it is easy to kind of organize and kind of go through the day. So let's say you have a bedroom. The bedroom can't be a sanctuary where you have wildlife and you have lots of kiosks and you have clutter and everything and all that, because that's the first sign of negative energy. People who take care of their homes and offices and otherwise maintain a lot of cleanliness. So it plays a very important role because it kind of meets the intent of having a functional design, and it kind of gives a aesthetic appeal to it. So let's say you have a room and you have a small room. It's not a very big room, but there are ways to kind of make it look big. So what do you do? So let me read it out to you. So what do you do? So first of all, this is what I did during Corona and before Corona, and I've done it this year, like a few months back. I basically have a built-in wardrobe which has got a glass front look, which